All right, and while we're still at it, why don't we also take a look how we can check for the duplicate email right here in the register controller, because it might come in handy from time to time. And effectively, what we're trying to do is not to rely on the error handler to do the job. Instead, we want to right away send back the response from the controller. And the way it's going to look like, we're going to go here with email, and we're going to go with john@gmail.com. I do need to make sure that I have all the proper syntax here. Let's send it. And we clearly know that this is coming from our error handler. And the alternative approach that we can take is something like this, where I could come up with some kind of property name. So const, and in my case, I'm going to go with user already exists, and that will be equal to await. And now I want to go with user and then find one. And inside of the filter object, I want to pass in the email, which essentially is going to look for the user with this specific email. So if email is provided, then let's check for the user. Now, if user already exists, if that is the case, what we can do, well, we can throw new bad request error, correct? So we can go with throw new bad request error. And what do we want to pass in? Well, some kind of alternative message, meaning different message than what we have in our handler. Otherwise, I mean, it's going to be very hard to see where the error is coming from. So I'm going to go with email already in use. Let's save this. And now let's test it out. Let's send it. And now we have 400 and the message is following. Email already in use. And we already know that this is coming from our own error handler.